So I'm Simon Mitchell. I'm a reader in Cancer Systems Biology at Brighton and Sussex Medical School. The Sussex Cancer Research Centre is bringing together cancer scientists, clinicians, allied health professionals and people with lived experience to pioneer interdisciplinary research that improves treatment and patient outcomes. We draw on strengths from Brighton and Sussex Medical School, the University of Brighton, the University of Sussex and multiple NHS trusts in Sussex, along with industry partners. Importantly, our work is patient-centred and shaped at every level by people impacted with cancer. The centre is co-directed by myself, Professor Melanie Flint from the University of Brighton, Professor Timothy Humphrey from the University of Sussex, Dr. Duncan Gilbert at the University Hospital Sussex NHS Trust. We also get amazing support from Beatrice Romano and Gemma Hamilton at BSMS. At the Sussex Cancer Research Centre, we're funding research from bench to bedside, ensuring the cancer treatments of tomorrow are discovered right here in Sussex. Feedback from our community has made it clear that the main motivator for people participating in research is the desire to see change. And change to cancer treatments and cancer care normally means policy change. So this is why we've established the SCRC Policy Initiative to ensure our research generates evidence that can be used to drive policy change, such as increasing access to clinical trials for our populations in Sussex.
I'm Professor Melanie Flint and Professor of Stress and Cancer Research at the University of Brighton. We've supported 3 PhD studentships in our first year. One of these projects used AI to identify better treatments for poorly understood cancers. Another one was developing new drugs for blood cancer, and a final project looking at cancer-related fatigue through patient-reported outcomes. We've also pump-primed 5 projects spanning from DNA damage to exercise to improve outcomes before colorectal cancer surgery. Importantly, these projects are multi-institutional collaborations brought together through the SCRC, uniting researchers across from multiple universities and hospitals. As we unite researchers across Sussex, a number of new and exciting research strengths have emerged. These were driven by feedback from those with lived experience of cancer who shape our research priorities. These groups include a cancer-related fatigue group, a brain tumour research group, a breast and gynecological cancer group and a computational cancer research group.
This is supported by the University of Brighton and in partnership with Diversity Resource International, along with our lived experience lead. Our creative community engagement projects support a broader conversation between people with cancer and those researching cancer within the centre.
We hope to initiate further theme meetings based on the input of our researchers. This includes a radiotherapy group. We also aim to seek further funding for PhD studentships, including external funding for doctoral training programmes and centres, pump priming projects and externally funded programme grants. We also want to elevate our status at the universities to either Centre of Research Excellence or facilitate more bench-to-bedside research through embedding of research resources, space and expertise in new clinical research facilities. Support mentor SCRC researcher applications for external funding and to increase awareness and fundraising, including engagement with the SCRC by fully implementing our inclusive community engagement plan. We want you to help us shape our plans for the next year. Visit our website to tell us how we can support your research.
So if you want to learn more and get more information, sussexcancer.org contains all the info you need.
We've just had our 1-year anniversary symposium. We actually do this every year. We have a vibrant programme of events for you to check out. Please go to sussexcancer.org events.
Make sure you join the centre and that will subscribe you to our newsletter to stay on top of all of the latest info. The years ahead have the potential to have a positive impact on our research, our communities and people with cancer across Sussex. But we can only achieve that with your support. Please consider making a charitable donation to the Sussex Cancer Research Centre at sussexcancer.org/donate.